Alright, so this lesson is Introduction to Functions, and the learning goal is essentially we're going to understand what a function is. You've been working with them for a while, and use function notation, what that means. Now, both of them shouldn't be like brain stretches, it should just be what it is, okay? So, what we're going to do is, a function is essentially a rule, okay? You put something in, and something else should come out, okay? So in this case, we're going to put in, this is a table of values that hopefully you're familiar with. So I'm going to put in a -3, and as I go through the machine, and this is the machine, -3 into that, -3 squared, oh that's 9. This is what comes out, okay? And I'm going to continue doing that. The next thing I'm going to pop in is -2, okay? Put -2 in the machine, what are we going to get out? 4, okay? Now most of you are going, yeah, I've done this. In the past, we've done y equals x squared, and we get the same things, except this notation is new. You're actually right. That's actually what we're doing. So a function is something you put in, and you'll get something out. Okay, so let's put in -1, we get, what's -1 squared? It's just 1. Put in 0, we get 0. Put in 1, we get 1. Put in 2, 2 squared is 4. Put in 3, 3 squared is 9. Put in 4, 4 squared is 16. So, yeah, it's essentially a machine. Put it in, and something else is going to come out. And it's all defined by what rule is given. In this case, I chose our trusty parabola because that will be so central to this course. So essentially, there is an input and there is an output, just like life. In life, we can put effort in or not, and then there'll be an output to what happens, all right? If I don't exercise and do weights, my arms will get really like jelly, okay? So that's input, output. I'm not putting anything in, that's what I get out, okay? All right, let's look at notation now. I've kind of touched on it, but this is the function notation right here, okay? And how do I use it? Well, it's pretty good. Let's find out what this function happens when x equals 0, okay? So this is how I use it. I go f of 0. That's the beauty of this notation. And what that means that for every x, I'm going to put 0 in. 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 1. So essentially all I'm left with is 1. So f of 0 is 1. Let's do another one. Let's do f of -2. Well, that's just -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 1. And if I work that out, that would be 4 plus 4 because of the double negative there. And then plus 1. So that equals 9 for f of -2. So this notation essentially is like, what is that when x equals something, okay? So if I had another function, let's make another function up, f of x equals, I don't know, x minus 2. Okay, I want to know for this one, what's f of 0? Well, f of 0 is just -2 because I've substituted into this one here, into this x here, substituted 0, all the output I'm going to get is -2. That's it for this video. So peace out.